Imagine this. You are sitting in your room, phone in hand, streaming live on TikTok. You are just vibing, chatting with your audience when suddenly, ding, a gift notification pops up. Then another and another. Before you know it, you've made $100 in minutes. No buzz, no 9 to 5, just you, your phone, and a thriving audience. Now, what if I told you this could be your reality? Yes, you watching this could be your reality. That you could turn TikTok live streaming into a serious money making machine. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to do it step by step. Let's get into it. But before we do, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Iyabo Oyewale, and I share millionaire maker tips for ambitious and positive-minded Gen Z on this channel. This channel is the House of Wisdom YouTube channel, and I am the lead servant in House of Wisdom. And our goal this year is to raise 100 Gen Z millionaires in 2025 years. And if that is your goal too this year, as in you want to become a Gen Z millionaire this year, you're going to hit the subscribe button in order to become a member of this channel, a member of this community, because this is a strong community. Believe me when I say this. And we are all on the road to success. We are charging on the road to success, and you're going to get a lot of support from this community. And so go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also turn on notifications so that you can get notified when we've got new uploads as well as new live streams. By the way, we live stream every Sunday afternoon, 4 p.m. on the House of Wisdom YouTube channel. You be sure to join us tomorrow for another edition of our live stream, where we are talking about 11 AI powered businesses you can do in 2025. Don't miss it. It's going to be a powerful and explosive session, and I hope to see you live in the audience. Thank you. If you just subscribed, you are warmly welcome to our community. So without further ado, let me dive into the video proper. So how do you make money live streaming on TikTok? How do you make money live streaming on TikTok? Now, understand TikTok live streaming. That is where to begin. That is a basic thing to know. Now, TikTok Live allows users with at least 1,000 followers to broadcast real-time videos, interact with their audience, and earn money through gifts, tips, and brand collaborations. To maximize earnings, you need an engaging presence, valuable content, as well as a monetization strategy. And what are the requirements for going live on TikTok? 1,000 plus followers. You must have at least 1,000 followers to access the live feature. You must also, there's also a age requirement. You must be at least 16 to go live, and 18 plus to receive gifts and earn money. Now, you need consistent engagement too. I'm still talking about the requirements to do live streaming on TikTok. You need consistent engagement too. Regular content posting and audience interaction increases your live visibility. And so what are the monetization methods for TikTok live streaming? What are the monetization methods for TikTok live streaming? Now, the first is receiving virtual gifts and diamonds. Now, viewers can send you virtual gifts, which you can convert into diamonds and withdraw as real money. Who doesn't want that? Now, the more engaging and entertaining your stream, the more likely viewers will send gifts. And so build a loyal community that enjoys supporting your content. The second monetization method for TikTok live streaming is TikTok live subscriptions. Now, TikTok allows creators to offer monthly paid subscriptions, and subscribers get exclusive content, badges, and interactions. Now, grow a VIP audience that supports your content long term. It's very important, because community matters. If you want to make a success of TikTok live streaming, your community matters. And so let your strategy be that of community first. And so community first, build a community, and then when you begin to live stream, I tell you, they will support you. And then the third monetization method for you, TikTok live streaming, is brand sponsorships and partnerships. Brand sponsorships and partnerships. Now, brands may pay you to promote their products through services during live streams. Ensure brand promotions feel authentic and fit your content style. Don't go out of your content style because you want to make money. Make sure that every brand sponsorship you take on fits your content style as well as feels authentic. It doesn't feel forced. Let it be natural. Let it be able to blend in with your content. And so you can use influencer marketplaces like TikTok Creator Marketplace to connect with brands and then promote them when you agree on terms. The fourth monetization method for you TikTok live streaming is affiliate marketing. And so promote products via TikTok Shop affiliate program or external affiliate links, and you earn a commission whenever viewers buy products using your unique link. For example, you can demonstrate a product live and provide a link for viewers to purchase, and when they purchase, you get a commission. You can promote products from not only the TikTok Shop affiliate program, you can also promote external products like ClickBank, Amazon, CJ, and ShareSale, a host of others too. You can promote for a commission. Also, selling your own products is another way to monetize TikTok live streaming. You can sell merchandise, digital products, courses, or services during your live streams. And so you can also leverage TikTok Shop or direct people to your e-commerce store. It's very important. In whatever you're saying, you can be directing them to your TikTok Shop or direct people to your e-commerce store. For example, you can sell print on demand shirts, coaching sessions, or exclusive content. Whatever it is you decide to sell, you must be able to promote it during your live session, but don't let the promotion outweigh the value you are giving. Ensure that the value you are giving is 80% while the promotion is 20%. Use the 80/20% rule, and I believe that helps. Now, another monetization method to use during live streaming on TikTok is crowdfunding and donations. Crowdfunding and donations. Now, use platforms like Buy Me a Coffee, Patreon, or Cash App to receive direct support. And you can encourage loyal fans to contribute to your content creation journey. I'm sure they will, because they know that content creation is not a cup of tea, and so they are going to support you long term. And also use these platforms that I just mentioned. So what are the strategies to maximize TikTok live earnings? What are the strategies to maximize TikTok live earnings? Choose a profitable niche. Focus on topics that attract engaged audiences, like entertainment. For entertainment, you can look at comedy, you can look at reactions, you can also look at challenges. And then for gaming, you can look at live gameplay or reviews of games, and you can also look at the education niche, where you can look at how-to tutorials or life hacks. And then you can also go into personal development, where you can talk about motivation or productivity. And then you can also do Q&A and advice sessions, and you can also do behind the scenes lifestyle stroke vlogging. These are all niches you can capitalize on for your TikTok live streaming venture. And then you optimize your live stream setup. Good lighting and background is very important. Now, a well-lit, visually appealing setup enhances professionalism. And so ensure that you have a good lighting and background. Also, you have clear audio. Use an external microphone for better sound quality, and also use a stable internet connection, which ensures smooth, lag-free streaming. You don't want your streaming to go on and off, and so use a stable internet connection. And then during your live stream, try to engage and interact with your audience. by acknowledging comments and questions in real time. Don't wait. Once you see their comments and questions, go ahead and read them for everyone to hear. Acknowledge them, and also use polls, challenges, or games to keep viewers engaged, and also encourage call to action, CTA, like send a gift if you love this. And then also, to make a success of your TikTok live streaming, go live at peak times. Stream when your audience is most active. And for you to know when your audience is most active, you got to check your TikTok analytics. And then the best times usually is during evenings and weekends when engagement is highest. And so best times to stream live are the evenings and weekends when engagement is highest. And then also collaborate with other TikTok creators to make your YouTube live streaming venture a success. Do duo lives, and also do duo lives, that is stream with another creator to expand reach, and also use guest features whereby you invite influencers or experts for value packed sessions. And then another thing to do to promote to make your live stream a success is promote your live streams. For you to have a successful TikTok live streaming, you gotta promote your live stream. And so announce upcoming live sessions via TikTok videos, Instagram stories, and Twitter. Also tease valuable exclusive content to attract viewers. And another thing to do to make your live streaming on TikTok a success is to repurpose live content. Save and edit clips from your live streams for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. This helps gain new followers who might join future live sessions. So how do you withdraw your TikTok live earnings? How do you withdraw your TikTok live earnings? Go to settings and privacy, and then balance and live gifts. Then convert diamonds into real money, and then withdraw via PayPal or a linked bank account. So the minimum withdrawal is $10 and processing time is 3 to 5 business days. So what are the common mistakes to avoid if you are live streaming on TikTok? Inconsistent streaming. Regular streams help build audience trust. If you are here today and you are not there tomorrow, it diminishes the trust your audience has in you, and it diminishes your credibility. And so do consistent streaming. If you say you will be there once a week, be there once a week. If you say you're going to be there twice a week, be there twice a week. It's very important for you to be consistent. Also, ignoring engagement is another mistake to avoid. Always interact with viewers to increase retention. If you want them to consistently join your live streams, you gotta engage with them. You gotta acknowledge their comments. You gotta talk to them. You gotta do challenges, quizzes, games that will keep them engaged. And so don't ignore engagement. Also, low quality streams is another mistake to avoid. Poor audio or lighting reduces viewer experience. And so make sure that you got good audio as well as lighting. And then over promotion is another common mistake to avoid during your TikTok live streaming. Balance between providing value and selling. Don't sell all the time. And so, like I said earlier on, use the 80/20% rule, whereby you provide value 80% and you provide sales promotions 20%. I believe that is a good balance to get. So my final thoughts will be that making money through TikTok live requires consistency, requires engagement, and requires a strategy. It also requires testing for you to see what actually engages your audience, as well as the kind of gifts they like to give. Testing and experiments. Basically, it helps you to understand the audience you are dealing with, because the audience I'm dealing with might not be the kind of audience you are dealing with. And so be committed to testing and optimizing and iteration over time. And so whether through virtual gifts, sponsorships, affiliate sales, or subscriptions, there are multiple ways to monetize your live streams. Focus on building a community first. I told you, use the community first approach, use the community first strategy, provide value. Very, very important. Aside from using the community first approach, provide value, and then keep your audience engaged, and the earnings will follow. Now there you have it, a complete guide on how to make money live streaming on TikTok. So what idea or tips struck you the most, or what excites you the most in all that I have shared? Let me know in the comments, and also Hit the subscribe button to become a member of the House of Wisdom YouTube community, where we support one another to become Gen Z millionaires. Yeah. And our goal this year, like I said earlier, is to raise 100 Gen Z millionaires. Will you be one of them? If you will be, hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications to be notified of our new videos as well as our live streams. And also share this video with a friend and like this video, because when you do, you are telling YouTube the kind of content to suggest to you. Thanks so much for watching this video. The time you invested watching means a lot to me, means a lot to us in House of Wisdom, and I'll see you in my next video.